guys, we were at Marble Mountain. Look at all of these amazing statues. I would love to have this in my garden. Wouldn't this be an amazing addition? Look at how intricate those are. The carving. You see that? Look at all these statues. There's stores and stores on statues and statues. I mean, it's amazing. Look at that. This guy is as big as I am. Probably weighs like what? What's the weight on this thing?
So much. I don't even know.
Like, yeah, you can't even
5 tons probably.
gauge the weight of this thing.
That
Wow.
little stair, that step
That little
was
stool that you try to pick up.
a couple of 100 pounds.
Look at all this. Wow. Some people get really angry about driving. Look, the little fruit.
Yeah.
I mean, there's statues upon statues of all different kinds. I would love to have. Wow, that dragon is cool.
Look at Zeus sleeping over here.
You got bears.
Lady Buddha.
Lady
Buddha.
Buddha sleeping.
Buddha sleeping.
And then look at all these. Now this would be cool to have in the garden. Wow. It's a fountain. You guys. Or look, even this one. Is this one a fountain? Oh, look at the baby one even has sprouts. So if you have two of them, they shoot at each other. Yeah. Oh, man. If only. This is why things are so much cheaper here. Couldn't ever get any of this in the U.S. Wow, look at this one.
Oh, man, look at this.
Oh, turtle. Look, stand by that Buddha, babe. Wow. Look at that statue. Imagine having this. Or what about this red Buddha?
Yeah, that's
Oh, look. I finally found my pineapple fountain.
Look.
I mean, look. That is
Yeah, look at this horse.
Oh, there is my fountain, you guys. There are so many amazing statues. Oh, if I could just look at the rows where the water sprouts out. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. Such intricate work. Look at that. This is it, babe. This is my water fountain feature. Everybody wants their water fountain feature. This one is mine. Look, babe, there are those girls over there with color.
Yeah.
Okay, here. I'm sorry. I was just going to do a little bit of videotaping, but wow, look at this big Buddha without the kids. All marble. They've got like what you would see in Paris, France. Michelangelo kind of statues. Love that. There's a pot right there we could use to plant. Trying to get it back to the U.S. They will ship it to the U.S., of course, for an additional cost. A little on the pricey side. Look at this. Wouldn't that be amazing to have these statues in your garden? But I would just take that fountain, please. Oh, look at this fairy for you, Lynn. A fairy fountain. It's a really big, enormous size. Here's these ladies with fountains. Oh, these ladies are beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at these, you guys. Hello. Thank you. It's beautiful. Look at this girl. Wow. Look how beautiful she is. What do you see?
Look at that big old circle.
Look, you guys. Look at that store. I'm going to zoom in. The only bad thing is you come into this place and they flock you. And all I want to do is just look around. What? There's so much more. I mean, this girl I think is one of my favorite. Hello. English? Vietnamese, but American. Yeah. Look how beautiful she is. Look how intricate her dress is. And then you got, oh, look at these benches. Oh man, okay, these are not comfortable, but beautiful to add to the garden. I would love this. What? More? I want one of these.
These girls are fountains.
Oh, they are.
I don't know where they get the water from.
You have to hook them up once you, oh, yeah. The hand and then it pours down. Oh man. Look at this girl's dress, Rini. Is this the same one as the other one? No, her dress is different. I think I like the other girl's dress better. She's gorgeous. Look at her. Wow. Look at this eagle statue. America. Imagine having this one. Wow. There's a koi. I wonder if they would have a koi that sprouts out water. That would be pretty. Oh, you guys, this is so beautiful. I want this. Okay, enough of wanting. I need to work to have the money. Oh, look at cherubs. Beautiful cherubs. I'm not too keen on the Buddha, but the cherubs and the angels are really pretty. Look at these. Look at this. Urns. Oh my goodness. And then you got, are these jade or still marble? I don't know, but they're pretty. Look at this, and you could have put a light. Okay, I don't like the half naked part, but it's art. Oh, it broke. Wow, look at this eagle. They've got so many statues. Like, this is just one store, but there's like probably 15 stores with as many statues as this one, just lining the road where Marble Mountain is. I mean, look at that. That is amazing. Wouldn't that be amazing to have those marble lions at the entrance of your property, if you have a big enough property? You can even have these dragons over here. Wow. So amazing. Look at that. Where did your dad go?
I don't know, but he's looking at his mom. Maybe he went inside. Look at the little girls.
Look at this horn. Look at all these vase. All handcrafted, handmade. Look at this, Rini. Little boats. Oh. Look at the snake and the cobras. Oh, these chess pieces are pretty awesome. Oh. Look at this one. Sorry? English? Very nice. Oh. Look at this big one.
Only we
That's
knew how to play chess.
Dad knows how. Look at the swans. Oh, look, they have the smaller version of what I just bought. Wow, that's awesome. It's like an egg.
Oh, these are so pretty. I wanted a ring like this.
You can probably ask her if she has one. They even have really pretty bracelets. Oh, wow. Oh, man. This shop is amazing. What? The chandelier?
The light bulbs are made out of, oh, I don't know. Look at her. It's all pink. Oh, look, they're neon.
Where did you get this color pink? Oh. Wow. That's like a lava walk.
I think their basement will have more cooler stuff. I don't know if the ones that are down there. Because I think they have more of like floor looking. Is that a wolf? On the windowsill? Where the cat is?
Oh, it looks like
Oh,
it.
it's.
I would love to have a pink vase like that.
I want a pink dragon.
That's a
I
dragon.
want a pink dragon.
But that one looks pretty big.
I want a blue little dragon.
Do you want blue or you want pink?
Blue. Because I have a little blue one already at home.
Oh,
Marble.
you guys, this is so amazing. Look at that.
That's not
So I just bought one of this at another shop. This is so pretty. Oh, look at these two, Rini. Rini, what's your sign? I think they have all the... Oh, wow. Look at these, Rini. You guys, look at this.
the entrance of their actual shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a whole bunch of these in the basement, but there's pink ones.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't know if we're allowed to go down there.
I wonder. Very pretty. So this is 65 million, roughly translate. I think what was two. So we do about $50 is 1 million dong. I think that's the conversion. Ah, look at this. Look at how the girls line the stairs. Wow. Oh, Rini, you can get a jade bracelet? Well, they have other kinds of colors,
So
but...
we need like clear because I'm probably going to be wearing my silver gold.
Look at all this. Oh, and look, they have a bigger version of the tree that I purchased. Okay, so I purchased that one. Look at that big one, Rini. Yeah. So that's what I purchased, but a smaller version. They've got these amazing slab of table also that you can purchase. Huh? Oh. And this is the store for it. One of the mini stores. He parked that thing up front. No, right there. Rini, can you go stand over there so I can gauge the size? So that's how big this marble statue is. My daughter's 5'3". So yeah, that's how. Okay, that's how big it is. Wow. And then if you're from the side of the road, This is the store name. Yawan. I'm not sure if that's how you even pronounce it. And then there's a local tour guide.